Doing business in today's world is hard. Are you feeling it too? The longer sales cycles, slower growth, and the ever-increasing demand for discounts. Don't put all your revenue eggs in the one basket of new sales. Grow with your customers and generate more revenue at much lesser cost. Introducing ZapScale, the deepest, fastest, and easiest customer success platform for B2B SaaS companies. ZapScale can help you improve retention, increase your upsell, and give boost to your NRR. Let me show you how. 1. ZapScale helps you know your customers better. Gather data with all your customer touchpoints for a 360 view. With ZapScale's out-of-the-box KPIs, get the deepest health analytics on day one. No need to configure. Slice and dice your customer data any way you want. And the best bit? Track your own custom outcomes without any tech help. View, analyze, segment, and track your customers better. 2. ZapScale helps you automate your CS ops so you can scale with ease. Get alerts and notifications based on your customers' health and key milestones with ZapScale's 50 pre-built playbooks. Collaborate across roles and departments with context of customer issues. And never let a customer slip through the cracks with advanced task management. Automate, collaborate, scale your customer success ops. And 3. Finally, ZapScale helps plan for the bigger picture with deeper insights. Be your business's command center with NRR, GRR, and MRR at your fingertips. Predict churn and upsell opportunities with ZapScale's 40-dimension AI model and analyze every beat of your business with trends. Control, predict, and measure your business better. In 3, 2, 1, with ZapScale, know your customers better, automate and scale your CS ops, and get deeper business insights. Doing and growing your business doesn't need to be so hard. Book your demo today.